Hello everyone, I'm back again. It has been a long time, but I'm back. So I was trying to learn German and it wasn't easy. It is very difficult. That's why I came up with an idea, which is this application, which I really like the app also. And I was thinking why not to share with you guys what I'm doing and how I'm doing. Most probably many of you guys also want to do the same, wants to have your own application. And so I'm going to share with you how I'm doing it so you can also do the same and just publish your own application. So first of all, let me just tell you what is this app about. So this is a Mitlesen application. It's supposed to help people to learn German by reading German stories. That's the whole idea. This is a KMP. So it is available both on Android and iOS and already published. I have some users also. And let me also show you how the app is working. This is the emulator that I have. For example, like you can go here and you can read the book and it can help you, for example, the meaning you can get. You can get more about what is this word about. It has flashcard also. You want to publish your application, right? So that's why I am just doing this to share with you how I'm doing it. You guys also share how you are doing it, what is the best tools to use. And for me it was a quite journey because it has changed a lot, like how I started this app, and it's changing every day. So I just wanted to record and have it somewhere for later on to see the improvement, or like the whole journey, how it started and how it is going. So right now I'm sharing all the aspect of it, like how I'm going to run a campaign, how I'm going to create all these stories. I'm going to tell how to have the design, how to have different agents and skills on Claude Code. But right now it is more like introduction of what is coming up, just to give you a gist at what is happening. So I'm planning to run a campaign very soon, but I have to discuss with the Claude on how to have this campaign, and I'm gonna share with you because it's quite a tough decision, like where to share which Albert. So that's different idea that I have, but it is Claude who is deciding. So I want to share with you how I'm doing this. For example, for the design, and let me tell you this part, like for the Mitlesen application itself, how I'm doing it is also quite interesting. For example, here, as you can see, can I have it as a list? So for example, I have this Mitlesen directory, which is shared with with the Claude Code. And for example, I have the documents, I have the design library, I have the like a business plan, the goals that I have. For example, after 6 months, I need like XYZ user, I need this many subscription after some time. All of these are here. Like what would be the next feature would be here. Also the mobile source code is here, the backend is here, plus the APIs, all whatever that I have, I'm using for a store, for a base. So which is, I mean, because I'm not very backend and I'm not a good backend engineer, that's why I'm using Firebase, which can help a lot. And I have all this directory. I will go through how I came up with this structure. And for example, I have some weekly updates, weekly reviews. I have like at this time how many user I had, how many user I got, how many started to subscribe. I'm using, for example, I'm using this skill that I created, which is weekly review. When I start, it just gives me it creates one of these files which has all the information that I need to decide what to do next. So this I have to understand my users, how they're going and how it should be. I'm using Claude. So before I was using Figma, now I'm using Claude Design. And for example, if I show you this side, this is the home screen of the app. I asked Claude to give me, can I close this part? Okay, so that part that I was discussing here, I just asked Claude how I can make my home screen better for the new users, how to make it more understandable. It gives me 3 different variation of the home screen, and how I can make it better for all the other screen, even for the flyer that I'm going to give to people. Also, I used Claude Design. I told that I want to give it to my friends, a promo code, and I want them to use it. So how should I share this with my friend? I came up with this idea, and as you can see, you can use, like with this code, you can use for 1 month. I did all of these with the Claude Design. Everything is quite fast. I'm not a designer, but I can become a designer with help of Claude. I'm not the product manager, but I can become a product manager, or at least towards of the becoming product manager, or having some idea about it with help of Claude. And as you can see, just to share with you how I'm doing this, so I have different agents. As a senior more engineer, it helped me to review the code. A startup advisor, I have all these to help me to create this app, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm using them later on. In this video, I just wanted to show what is the whole idea of the next video, what I'm going to share with you. And I'm back. I'm trying to start again this YouTube channel. Let's discuss this. If you have a better idea, if you're using Claude Code or any other thing in different way, let's discuss and see how we can improve it, how we can publish our application here better, and how we can help each other to have a application on the store, and how we can have some revenue out of it. So this is the whole, it's gonna be a whole journey, and this is evolving and changing by every week. For example, I guess it was like a month ago that they started to give out this Claude Design. From since then, I'm very excited about this also. Such a help it is. We do the same. We will update what are the next tool, what should we use, what should we not use. For example, skills that I have added. I have these many skills to create the story, to review the code, all this stuff I have added, and we can discuss later on. Even this, like this warp thing, is such a nice thing that one of my friends just told me. So this is amazing to have this warp, like this terminal just open and close. This is also something that we can share. So in this video, I just wanted to give you the whole idea what would be the next, and see you in the next video. Next video, we're gonna dive deeper in how I came up with this structure and how it is helping me. Like for example, when I start a new Claude Code, I just tell I need XYZ feature. Then we have in the doc, we have everything related to the business strategy and vision, and what we should avoid, what we should have. And also I have the web plus API, and also I have the mobile code. So it all would be integrated. The Claude does know everything and how to deliver it. And I'm using Android skills to ask and verify everything with the Claude itself. For example, I add this new feature and confirm that it is working end to end. So it opens the emulator, it tries to find the bug and share the result with the product manager or the designer, and give the feedback and get the feedback, and comes back to me that these are good or these are not good. So this is, you got the whole idea, right? So this would be the next video that we're gonna discuss. Let me know if you are interested, or if there is anything else that I can add or anything like that. See you in the next video. Take care. Ciao, ciao.